Good afternoon. It's Jake with Jake Burkett Real Estate. And if you're watching in the morning, afternoon, evening, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you. Got another great home tour for you today. You can see this is the beautiful home behind me. It is a farmhouse, modern style house. And let's go take a look, shall we? Today we're going to be touring this beautiful home built in 2022. So it's only just a little bit over a year old. Built by Toll Brothers. Now you can see it's a one-story home. The style is called modern farmhouse because you can see there's a lot of modern elements added to this house. In addition, it's got like these peaked roofs, it's got the wood finishing on the outside. It kind of gives it this farmhouse style look to the house. So it's on just over a half an acre lot, which is a little over, so this home is a 20,000 3-foot lot. And so like I said, it's a little over half acre. The house itself, 3,464 square feet. Tax records show it as a tax records show it as a 3-bedroom house, but it could be a 4th bedroom. It has all the characteristics of a 4th bedroom, so it is what it is. It has 4 rooms you could easily sleep in that all have windows and closets. And if you wanted to, this is a community that allows and has a lot of RV garages. So you could easily put an RV garage on the side of this house. Going to kind of show you a little bit more of the home or the neighborhood here before we head in. Just kind of pan slowly around here. And this is an HOA community home. Yes, it is. And this house is listed for $1,199,000. It does have a pool and a spa in the backyard. And let's go take a look. Of course, if this is your first time watching our channel, I appreciate it, appreciate the support. Feel free to like and subscribe and reach out to us if you have any needs looking to buy or sell resale homes in Las Vegas or new construction homes in Las Vegas. We do specialize. Before we get into the house, you can see we're in this courtyard. It has this nice little pony wall. You can see the stonework, the stone trim that matches the house and the pony wall. It's got this nice little gate right there. Little feature, if you've never seen these before, so these are package drop-off boxes, your FedEx, your UPS, DHL. They can securely put your packages inside this locked, essentially let's call it a safe, a package safe, and then you can access it from the garage. Let's go in. As we come into the house, this is engineered flooring, so this is man-made, right? And the finish, the texture on the wall is what's called a Santa Fe. I'm not sure if the light will even pick it up, but it's super smooth with just a couple of blemishes that they're supposed to be there. So we're gonna look at the great room, the kitchen, secondary bedrooms, garage, primary bedroom, and then we'll finish off in the backyard. So that is how we're gonna do it. We do have 12 12-foot ceilings in this great room, 10-foot ceilings in the rest of the house. And yeah, let's go. So it has this big concept, great room. That's the kitchen, of course. We'll get to that in a minute. Nice big living room, so you could do all kinds of stuff in here. You got a fireplace, big TV, a couple of ceiling fans. Got a big sliding glass window over there. And one thing I will show you, which is neat, so has modern shutters on it. So when I say modern, the trim is all square 90-degree finishes, which match the baseboards throughout the house. And then all the mechanisms of the shutters are hidden, they're behind it. So it came out some years ago, but used to see a lot of like round molded shutters, even on these homes that have, no round bullnosing and everything is like square 90 degrees. Okay, coming into the kitchen, I'm going to state some obvious things here. We have a nice center island. You can see the nice stonework on the countertops. We do have additional storage right here, so that's nice. Everything is soft shut. We have a sub-zero freezer, Wolf appliances. Got this nice area over here. Call it a breakfast nook. You could have that could be your formal dining area. The formal dining area can also be set up right in between past this threshold right here if you wanted to. So you will notice also we have brown, like wood colored cabinets on the island, and we have this off-white on the back. We have under cabinet lighting, got a little stonework backsplash. Here's your cooktop, our hood. A lot of storage, a lot of cabinet space over here. You could put some nice floating shelves along this wall right here if you wanted to. A lot of natural light coming in. And you do have a sliding glass door right there as well. Come this way, catch the other elements of the kitchen. So we have our double ovens right here, and then you have your microwave, which is right there. Nice big walk-in pantry. And here's that nice Sub-Zero fridge. So really, really good looking piece of equipment here. All right, now down this hall here, we have a couple of secondary bedrooms. But first, right off to my right, I'm gonna try to go really slow because it's a smaller room. This is gonna be the washroom. So if you have friends over visiting, this is where they can go refresh and relieve themselves. Back to the hallway. Right here to my left is gonna be our laundry room. So you got some quartz countertops in here, and you have the same cabinetry that you have in the center island, and your washer and dryer right there at the end. Off to my right is our smart closet for the house. So if you're super techie, you'll know exactly what that is. It's where you're gonna put your modems or internet connections, or it's where everything feeds into your nice smart closet for the house, alarm panels, whatever you need it to be. Nice tall thresholds on these doorways coming in. 8-foot doorway, so it's really nice, big volume. And we have this 10-foot ceiling in here. You can see there's the same shutters throughout this house. Got a little bit thicker trim on these windows than we saw in the great room there. Got a walk-in closet over here. And now this is a Jack and Jill bedroom. So that means, as you're probably aware, we share a bathroom with the other bedroom. So here it is. If you got kids, that's a fantastic feature. Gives them their own bathroom. And they have a little bit of privacy as they can shut the door to the other bedroom. And they don't have to go out of their bedroom to go into the bathroom area because we pop right into the other secondary bedroom. All right, let's continue on with the tour of this home. We're gonna pop right back out into the kitchen and great room area. And now this is the bedroom, or the room, right here with these double doors I was telling you about. It's not counted on the tax records as a bedroom, but we have windows, we have a closet. So it could be your bedroom, could be your office, could be a little gym at home, a playroom for the kids, whatever it is you need it to be, it could be. But it does have all the characteristics of a bedroom, and it's a nice size. Got a couple of build outs in the closet right here. All right, let us continue. We are going to go check out the 3-car garage, which is right off the entrance of the house. So that's the front door. As you're entering the home, this would be on your left. As we come in here, we have nice epoxy flooring. We've got a nice tall ceiling in here. So you could hang storage racks up there, gym equipment, whatever it is you need to be. Got a couple transparency glasses or windows here on the garage doors, which is nice because you just get a lot of natural light coming in. And then here's that inside, that back end side of those secure package drop-offs. So it's a neat feature. Slow pan around here. Got a tankless hot water heater in the house. So if you're unfamiliar or have never seen those before, that's what this device is on the wall. You don't have your traditional hot water heater. And you have a soft water system because out here in Nevada, Las Vegas, we have a lot of hard water, so it's good to condition it and keep it soft. Helps with your laundry, keeps the corrosive, mineral materials build up on your dishwashers. and other faucets, but it does not go to drinking water outlets. So your fridge, kitchen sink area, that's all on the soft water. So you don't want to be drinking water that's been conditioned. And we also have a little coat closet right there. All right, we're moving right along here today, so we're going to head on into the primary bedroom. Then we're going to check out this fabulous backyard. And as you've noticed, the primary is off by itself on its own side of the house. So if the kids are being loud, well, you're way down at the other end of the house. So heading into the bathroom here, nice big countertop, huge big mirror, big beautiful walk-in shower. We'll poke our head inside that in just a second. You have another secondary, obviously, sink over here. Obviously, I don't know why I said that. Undermount sinks, big mirror. Nice big walk-in closet that has been fully built out already. And then you have your toilet right there. So just kind of pan around, give you the full view of the bathroom. Coming into the shower here. Now this is a nice big shower. This could definitely use maybe something a bit higher up. Maybe a waterfall or, something more substantial if you wanted. You've got a nice bench there, so people who've got to shave their legs, sit down, whatever it is. Place to store your shampoos and soaps. Big, big glass mirror. There is no door to clean. And then I do like this feature. You can have your towel hanging up right here, so you don't have to quite step all the way out of the bathroom to retrieve your towel. You can dry right off. And then we come into the primary bedroom. Nice windows. It's a nice sized room. It's got 2 sliders, so one to the side yard over here, and then one to the main part of the backyard, which is where we are headed next. All right, here we are in the backyard. Got a nice sized covered patio. This 3-pane slider is the one that goes right into the great room by the couches. This 1 or 2 slider right over here is the one by that little on the side of the kitchen. Paper stone decking out here, so no wet decking. Really good looking pool. We're going to check it out. Got a nice outdoor kitchen. Before we look at all that, let's look at the side over here. And this is really nice turf. So you have, usually there's three types of AstroTurf, fake turf. And this looks like to be on the higher end of things. Sometimes when it's not as higher end, it can just be like really thin and almost looks kind of worn out and tired, before it even has a chance to get worn out and tired. Got our air conditioner units, got our pool pump filter, got our pool heater all over here on this side of the home. Got a garden over here, so if you want to be a green thumb and grow some plants, some citrus, whatever it may be, you can certainly do that. A lot of space out here, so you could do a lot. I mentioned earlier you could build a detached RV garage. You could do that. You could also probably add a detached living quarters if you wanted a casita. You definitely have room. Nice little barbecue area out here. Looks like we got some travertine countertops there. Nice looking pool. The same travertine you're going to see is lining the edge of the pool, so it just works well. PebbleTec pool, self-cleaning. Nice little swim step. Nice size little jacuzzi over here. And then we'll kind of get the back of the house there. Hopefully that sun doesn't affect it too much. But yeah, nice area to hang out. It's the side of the neighbor's house, so usually people don't hang out too much on the side of the home. If you're a golfer, well, you've got little putting areas. You can chip if you want. You can do a lot of things out here. Keep the kids entertained, work on your short game. Here's the rest of that side yard I was mentioning if you wanted to put something large. A lot of people collect vehicles or want to work on vehicles in the privacy of their own home. And you could easily do that over here. There is the garage door, the side garage door, and then here's their own little private patio off the primary bedroom. So that about does it for this tour. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're looking to buy or sell real estate in Las Vegas, we'd love to help you with that. Resale and new construction. We do it all. We specialize in all. That's my number. If you call it, I'm going to be the one that responds to you. And I hope you have a wonderful day.